Unravel the magic of if, mastering indirect requests and offers in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the world of indirect speech, specifically focusing on how we can use if statements to make polite requests and generous offers. This is a fantastic tool to sound more native and respectful in your English conversations, so let's get started. Before we start with if statements, it's essential to understand why we use indirect speech. Indirect speech helps us sound more polite and less intrusive. When we're requesting something or making an offer, it's often considered more respectful to do so in a less direct manner. And this is where if statements come in handy. When we're making an indirect request, we often use if to soften the tone. This makes it sound like we're giving the person a choice and that it's okay if they say no. Here are some examples. If you have a moment, could you help me with this report? If it's not too much trouble, would you mind picking me up from the airport? If you're not too busy, I was wondering if you could check these figures for me. In all these examples, the if clause makes it clear that you respect the other person's time and obligations. If statements aren't just for requests, we can also use them to make offers. Just like with requests, this can make your offer sound less forceful and more considerate. Here are a few examples. If you're free this weekend, we'd love for you to join us for dinner. If you need a hand with that, I'd be more than happy to help. If you're feeling cold, I can lend you my jacket. Each of these statements presents an offer in a gentle, non-imposing way, creating a comfortable atmosphere for the person you're speaking to. So, there you have it, folks. Now you've got a powerful tool in your English-speaking arsenal. Remember, using if in indirect speech helps you come across as more polite and respectful in your conversations, whether you're making requests or offers. Keep practicing these, and in no time, they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.